Hello, folks. I am at probably one of my favorite theme parks of all time. That would be SeaWorld. No, I'm just kidding. I'm at, obviously, Epcot. So I'm going to walk around Epcot a little bit, look at some flower and garden, try some foods and whatever. So guys, just come along. Let's see what I can show you. If you never knew what these things were, they're nests for purple martins. Orlando is part of their migration pattern. So Epcot set up a whole bunch of these manufactured nests. Alright, so what we got here is the avocado toast. Next is the shrimp and grits. That looks really good. Over here is the corned beef brisket hash. I'm really looking forward to this one. And this one Alicia really wanted, the fried cinnamon rolled bites. They look good. Look at this. This is what I've been hearing so much about. I've seen a number of my friends try it. Some like it, some hate it. But here's the really weird thing about this goat cheese popsicle. It's a little wobbly. That's better than I thought it would be. It's actually pretty good.
I'm actually going to dip it.
Oh, you're going to dip? You aristocrat, you into the raspberry, strawberry, whatever? That looks like it would actually be good. There you go. Did you like it? One final stop before the day is over for us, well, at least here for Epcot. We have a spoon bread, a chicken flatbread, and this cheesecake that looks oh so good. That is really gooey and really good. I'll tell you what, this is the time of year to be outside. It's nice out, it's not too hot. Before you know it, it's going to be so hot it'll be dangerous to be outside for more than an hour. Is that a horn?